everyone and welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be comparing two hair products. I'm going to be comparing Camille Rose Moisture Butter with the Maui Moisture Hair Butter. I actually did a review and demo on this one already about 2 weeks ago, and it's up on my channel now. So I decided it would be a good idea to actually compare it to another hair product, another butter from another line. I went to the store and this is the one that I picked up, the one from Maui Moisture. I actually did a comparison video with another Maui Moisture product and Shea Moisture product. So this is gonna be the second comparison video with Maui. So yeah, I'm super excited to see how it works because I actually used this one already before and I actually really like it. I haven't tried this one at all, so I'm super excited to see how they work. This one is vanilla bean and creamy cocoa butter, lush kukui nut oil, and this one is green tea and jojoba. So basically I'm gonna go and wash my hair, then I'm gonna apply one product to one side and the other one to the other side, and then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna sit on the dryer for a little bit just so I don't have to wait for so long for my hair to dry. So once once my hair is 100% dry, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the finished results and see which, how each product works. So yeah, let me go ahead and wash my hair because as you guys can see, it's super nasty. I look a hot mess. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing the same thing to each side. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little bit of leave-in conditioner. This is the one that I'm using right now. And then I'll go ahead and apply each product to each side. So I'm gonna start with the one that I already used. Wow, this one smells really good too. I still love the smell of this one. This is like the best, but this one smells really good too. It smells like vanilla and I love vanilla, so it smells so good. This one's not as thick as the Camille Rose, but it's still a little thick, not as thick though. So let's see how it's gonna work on my hair. Okay, you guys, so my hair is completely dry. This is how it looks. I haven't touched it or like try to puff it up or anything because I kind of want to show you guys how it looks just by drying up. Then I'm gonna go ahead and fluff it out and stuff like that because it looks pretty flat. I have to say they both kind of dried up kind of about the same, but I do feel like the Maui Moisture side does look a bit shinier and less dry as this side for the Camille Rose. It does look a bit dry. My hair does not look shiny whatsoever. It does look a little bit dry. I feel like this side did give me just a tiny bit more volume without me having to fluff it out or anything. It does look just a tiny bit more fluffy, as you guys, I don't know if you guys could tell. I could tell when I look at myself in the mirror, but yeah, this is how it looks. Another thing that I wanted to talk about is the price. Like I said in the other video, the review that I did for the Camille Rose, you guys know that this one is $16.99 at Walgreens. I also bought this one from Walgreens and this one is $8.99. So this one is way cheaper. So let me just go ahead and fluff it out just, a little bit because it is like, hello, I need some, yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my wide tooth comb to fluff out my hair a little bit. Yeah. So yeah, I do like both products. Like I said, I do like the texture of the Maui and I also like the price and I like the smell. I do like that it added just a little bit more of shine to my hair. I don't like that it doesn't really give you, I feel like it doesn't really give you that much volume at all. Like even when I fluff it out, it still looks kind of, you know. And I still do like this one. You guys already know if you saw my review that I did like 2 weeks ago. I really love the smell of this one. I absolutely love it. I don't like that it didn't give me so much shine like the Maui did, but I do like that it did give me a little bit more volume, and just it looks like, you know, more puffy, like I have more hair on this side for some reason. That's just how I feel when I look at myself in the mirror. So that's one thing that I like about the Camille Rose. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. Which side do you think looks best, or what, if you know, if you tried either of these products, let me know what you think about them down in the comments. And yeah, that's it. That is all for this video. If you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and subscribe. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.